What if Volkswagen brought back one of its most stylish classics, but redesigned it for the modern era? This is the 2026 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback, a stunning retro revival that blends timeless 1960s design with modern craftsmanship and performance. From its elegant fastback silhouette to its luxurious interior, this car proves that classic automotive design never goes out of style. Let's take a closer look. At the front, the 2026 Type 3 Fastback stays incredibly faithful to the original design language, but with modern detailing that elevates its presence. The car features signature round headlights, now upgraded with modern LED elements while still preserving the classic circular housing. Between them sits a clean horizontal grille, paired with the iconic Volkswagen badge proudly centered on the hood. Below that, a beautifully polished chrome bumper adds vintage charm and visual balance. One of the most striking details is the sculpted hood line running down the center, guiding your eyes toward the emblem and emphasizing the car's elegant proportions. The design feels minimal, timeless, and unmistakably Volkswagen. Moving to the side, we see where the Fastback truly earns its name. The roofline flows smoothly from the windshield all the way down to the rear deck, creating that beautiful aerodynamic fastback silhouette that made the original Type 3 so iconic. The body lines remain clean and simple, highlighted by a thin chrome beltline trim that runs the entire length of the car. Modern touches appear in the performance alloy wheels, which give the car a slightly sportier stance while still respecting the vintage aesthetic. The lowered ride height and wider tires provide a subtle rest-a-mod attitude, suggesting that this classic isn't just about looks, it's built to drive. Overall, the side profile is pure automotive elegance. At the rear, the Type 3 Fastback continues its classic heritage. The back features vertical taillights, updated with modern LED lighting while maintaining the traditional shape. Centered on the rear deck is the Volkswagen emblem, accompanied by the clean Volkswagen lettering, reinforcing the brand's heritage. A polished chrome bumper stretches across the width of the car, while dual exhaust outlets underneath hint at improved performance. The Fastback rear window creates a smooth taper that gives the car its unmistakable character. It's a rear design that feels refined, balanced, and unmistakably vintage. Step inside, and the cabin perfectly blends retro craftsmanship with modern luxury. The interior features diamond-stitched leather seats in a warm beige tone, creating an atmosphere that feels both elegant and comfortable. The dashboard is finished with rich wood trim, giving the cabin a handcrafted premium appearance. Behind the wheel sits a 3-spoke wood steering wheel with the Volkswagen emblem, perfectly matching the classic character of the car. The instrument cluster maintains a retro analog design, but with modern precision and clarity. Meanwhile, the center console integrates subtle modern features like updated infotainment controls and a refined gear selector, making the driving experience feel contemporary without losing its vintage soul. This interior feels like a luxury reinterpretation of a 1960s Grand Touring coupe. Under the rear deck, the 2026 Type 3 Fastback modernizes its classic engineering. While the original Type 3 used an air-cooled flat-4 engine, the modern reinterpretation is expected to feature a turbocharged flat-4 boxer engine inspired by Volkswagen's latest engineering. Estimated performance figures include Engine 2.0 liter. Turbocharged flat 4. Power output 220 horsepower. Transmission 6-speed manual or 7-speed DSG automatic. Drivetrain: rear engine, rear-wheel drive layout inspired by the original. With a lightweight body and improved suspension setup, the Fastback promises a driving experience that is balanced, responsive, and incredibly fun. If Volkswagen brought this modern Fastback into production, pricing would likely fall between $38,000 and $45,000. This would position the car as a premium retro sports coupe aimed at enthusiasts who love classic design. Industry speculation suggests a concept reveal in late 2025, with a potential production release in 2026. The 2026 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback is a beautiful reminder that great automotive design is truly timeless. With its elegant fastback shape, handcrafted interior, and modern performance potential, this car could easily become one of the most desirable retro coupes of the decade. So what do you think? Should Volkswagen bring the Fastback back? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more classic legends reimagined for the future.